Make a great choice today with the 2019 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.